Everything starts here, in the heart of Polish nature. Sand, often considered one of the cornerstones of civilization, it's an essential component in nearly every modern building. It is from carefully selected natural aggregates, quartz sand, combined with a mix of binders and pigments that Izoflex brick slips are made. Inspired by the art of traditional craftsmanship and fascinated by the potential of modern materials, we've created a product that meets the demands of 21st century construction. Each slip is handcrafted, giving it a unique pattern and the distinctive character of natural brick. We carefully inspect each of our products to ensure that the color, texture, and quality meet the highest standards. Controlled low-temperature drying conditions, combined with our patented Izo-Fiber layer, give them the durability our customers expect. With the environment in mind, we've designed a sustainable production process that uses far less energy than traditional brick manufacturing and leaves a smaller carbon footprint. Our brick slips are easy to transport and handle, making work on construction sites more efficient. At the same time, Izoflex slips, just like traditional brick, offer exceptional durability and beauty that lasts for years. They enable architects to bring bold designs to life, adding a touch of sophistication to building facades. Designers can use them to create interiors filled with warmth and unique charm. For over 30 years, Izoflex has been continuously refining its products to ensure they are reliable both during construction and throughout their use. Thanks to the passion and dedication of many people, our brick slips reach customers all across Europe almost every day. We stand by designers, architects, and contractors every step of the way as they bring their bold visions to life. In harmony with nature, blending tradition with innovation, we're shaping the spaces around us. Izoflex, create your space with us.